The Infinix Hot 30 is one of the best smartphones you can buy right now in the market that gives you lots of value for your money. I'm talking about up to 16GB of extended RAM memory, massive 256GB of storage, powerful MediaTek Helio G88 processor, 33W faster charging, loud and Bassy Dual Stereo Speakers, elegant glass fill design, 50MP dual cameras, a bigger Full HD display with 90Hz refresh rate, and a lasting 5000 mAh battery capacity. You get all this and more for as low as 106,000 naira or $140. These offers are too good to be true. Anyways, you can't have it all at this price point, but are there any other compromises or red flags with the Infinix Hot 30? Well, let's find out. There are 3 colors: the Sonic White, which is the color I have here with me, then there is the Raisin Black and Surfing Green. As usual, Infinix was kind enough to include all major accessories in the box, including the 33W fast charger. Infinix finished work with the design of the Hot 30. This is actually a smooth and glossy plastic back, but you might confuse it for a textured glass back because it looks and feels like premium glass. There's no big corner camera block, which gives it a modern minimalistic look. The flat edges at the sides have a matte plastic finish, which also helps in providing firm grip while holding it. At the right side are the volume and power button that doubles as a side fingerprint sensor, which is fast and responsive. The left side houses the usual triple card slot tray. There is nothing at the top, while the bottom side has one of the dual speakers, Type-C port, microphone, and the legendary headphone jack. Infinix has brought back the true dual stereo speakers that blows your mind away, and to have it in this price point is amazing. Infinix did a good job by using the LTPS display panel, which is the best LCD panel in the market. Colors are also richer and vibrant thanks to the presence of a 96% DCI P3 color gamut. It's also amazing to see a high quality 1080p display with smoother 90Hz refresh rate and faster 270Hz touch sampling rate at this price point. The bezels actually look slimmer at this price point, especially if you consider the competition. Infinix gave the Hot 30 a slight bump in the processing power. The Helio G88 is a very capable budget processor that offers a good multitasking experience. It is surprising to see a large 8GB RAM size paired with either 128 or 256GB of storage, which are both massive at this price point. And Infinix even took it further by offering up to 16GB RAM size through memory fusion, which is amazing. Multitasking has been great because it does a pretty good job in retaining apps in the background for a reasonable amount of time without refreshing. Infinix partnered with the popular Free Fire gaming company to enhance the gaming performance of the Hot 30. It was able to handle COD at medium graphics and high frame rates without stress. The Free Fire game is not as graphics demanding as Call of Duty, so the Hot 30 will play the Free Fire game like a champ with no lags. Infinix Hot 30 has a large 50MP camera with a lower f1.6 aperture size, which is rare to find at this price point. The 50MP camera does a good job with producing decent images with good dynamic range, good saturation, clearer and sharper details. The only issue I have is the red and yellow color tints it adds to the pictures, which affects the color accuracy, especially with human skin subjects. I hope this will be fixed in a software update. The selfie images are okay, but lack details, and just like the 50MP camera, it's also affected by the red-yellow color tint, which affects the color accuracy. Super Night mode actually does a good job in enhancing the images taken at night, thanks to the lower f1.6 aperture, which takes in more light for better low light or super night shots. Hello guys, this is the front-facing video camera test of the Infinix Hot 30. I'm currently shooting now at 2K at 30 frames per second. Can you let me know what you think about the audio and video quality? The rear camera is capped at 2K video resolution and it does a good job with the exposure levels and dynamic range. The video quality is actually decent for this price point, but sadly there's no video stabilization, which would have been a good addition. The Infinix Hot 30 comes with a lasting 5000 mAh battery capacity, which is able to give up to 12 hours of screen on time or more than a day battery time on average usage. As a heavy user, I was able to squeeze out about 8 hours of screen on time on a single charge, although the battery usage time doesn't really matter thanks to the presence of a faster 33W charger, which can juice the battery up in about 1 hour 30 minutes. This is the fastest charging speed I have seen in this price point. The Infinix Hot 30 comes out of the box with the latest Android 13 software, and the new XOS 12.6 has been impressive with lots of features and customizations to make your experience good and fun. I love this multi-window user interface that takes multitasking to a whole new level, and there's no lags while using this mode, but I wish there were more windows. I'm also impressed with the system-wide haptic vibration feedback. It feels much better. It also has multiple user accounts for those who have many personalities and don't want any foreign person spying on them. I've got several updates so far, but not sure we will be getting major Android 14 upgrade on here, but Infinix can surprise us again. One more thing, the Infinix Hot 30 has NFC support, which is basically used for cardless payments. Although the technology is not commonly used in Nigeria right now, but it's nice to have it when needed. At the price of 106,000 naira for the 8 128GB and 116,000 naira for the 8 256GB model, the Hot 30 has taken Infinix back to the top spot as the best budget smartphone king, even after 2 months in the market. Let me know what you think about the Infinix Hot 30 in the comment section below. Would you be getting one? Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe. Bye.